Lynn, over the years, I'm sure you've seen the industry change a lot over the time you've been working in it. I guess a question for you would be, what do you think, or what have you seen that stayed the same?
Well, I think the importance of the customer, and I think the importance of the customer back years ago is kind of similar as it is today. Customer is very important. You got to satisfy the customer and do a good job in his facility or at the location, at the job location. Also, I would say that it's a lot about people, employees. You need good people. And back then, you needed good people, very skilled people. And today, you need good, skilled people, have good attitudes, and are happy about their work. And I think that's important. So those are two things that have stayed very similar. The third item is when you do a job, you're usually bidding the job or estimating the job. So you have hours and equipment hours, man hours. So you want to try to come in under those hours, or at least meet those hours, possibly do a little better than those hours. That's how you make money, but those are important things back then in the older days as well as today.
Yeah. Jim, you're former president of the Specialized Carriers and Rigging Foundation. Can you talk a little bit about why the foundation is important to the crane and rigging industry?
Sure. So the SC&RF Foundation is a nonprofit 501c3 organization. So it provides a lot of research data to the member companies of Specialized Carriers and Riggers Association, along with development initiatives for those in the industry or those wanting to get into the industry for careers. So providing grants and scholarships to students that are either taking courses in college or in trade schools to better themselves and enter into the career in this industry. And the foundation takes initiatives from the association in relation to advocacy and communicating throughout the industries that are served to promote the Specialized Carriers and Riggers Association.
Randy, to ask you a quick question, in terms of the crane and rigging industry as a whole, do you expect the industry to contract or expand in the coming years, and what makes you think that?
Well, so long as the economy continues to grow, I think the industry will continue to expand. We're behind as far as an infrastructure is concerned. So I think your highways and your bridges, with some of the bills that are going to be passed or that have been passed, I think we'll see a lot more heavy highway and transportation construction take place. You got the Clean Waterways Act that is playing a big role in construction today. So there's tunnel boring machine installations and projects to create underground tunnels. And I think if subways and rail continues to expand, I think you'll see an expansion there. Manufacturing, so long as we continue to manufacture here in the United States, I think you'll see a lot more opportunities for growth there here in the United States. And I think the industry as a whole will continue to grow.
Sounds like the opportunities are endless.
We'd like to think so.